Create planets in minutes in After Effects. I've got a composition here with a simple star map on it that I made. I'm going to import my Mars planet texture, increase the size a bit, apply an effect called CC Sphere, increase the radius, go down to light, change the light direction, and then I can also change the light height for a bit more of a moody cinematic look. And if I actually keyframe the light height and then go to the end of the timeline, I can also increase it so it slowly creeps across like a sunrise. If I go to the shading as well, I can decrease the ambient light so it's a bit more contrasty and increase the specular as well. So you get a bit more of a harsh edge light. And if we just want to add a touch more polish to it, I can duplicate the layer, add a turbulence displace, decrease the amount to about 4, decrease the size as well to about 2. And then I can option click the evolution, type time, asterisk 100. And then it just gives a slight bit of rippled atmosphere just to make it a bit more dynamic. And voila, there we have it. Super easy planet effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to the channel for daily After Effects tutorials.